Yes, Your Worship. Yes. My name is Mabirizi. I am the applicant and the petitioner. My data take home.
Your Honor, it is for the sixth respondent, Geoffrey Madete, Principal State Attorney. For the first, fourth, and ninth respondents, it's my land friend, Mr. Esau Isingoma. Isingoma pronunciation. Your Honor, for the second, third, fifth, seventh, and eighth respondents, my land friend, Council Justin Samyaba, is appearing.
Here together with Miss Eric singing.
Where's my copy? Yes, Your Worship, the matter was adjourned today. The Council Samyaba Justin for the second, third, seventh, and eighth respondents filed in court an additional affidavit, a further affidavit deponed by Honorable Norbert Mao, where the documents are required were attached.
The documents were attached?
Yes.
Are they all documented?
As far as his clients are concerned.
Yeah, as far as his clients
Yes, are concerned.
But maybe it should be noted that we filed these documents as the
Further affidavit.
second, third, fifth, seventh, and eighth respondents further affidavit in the main petition. For senior petition number 21 and 22. Simply because we are afraid to connect to the application. As we stated before, but now.
But that is that's the proper procedure, because the documents are required for use in the petition. Yes, as long as they are provided.
So as long as council now acknowledges that we have produced the documents, we are good.
Your Worship, I haven't got anything from the rest of the respondents. With that is as it is.
But do they also need to produce some documents?
Yes, that's the contest. That's why they are party to the application. There are documents which are contested. The others are saying they don't need to produce them. That's the contest. So in the premises, my prayer is one. Let the file be forwarded to the panel.
The file is actually already before the panel.
Then we shall sort everything before the panel.
Yes, because this matter is coming up on 8th of May. The files are already there.
So the rest.
Yeah.
maybe, Your Honor, we actually intended to file another reply to this, but because of the busy schedule that our clients quite in a season electioneering, we've actually tried to get hold of any of the respondents to at least give another reply in response to this application. But I'm glad that now the applicant is saying it, because last time we wanted the matter to go before the panel, but he didn't want the matter to be heard before the application, his application is sorted. But now that he's saying maybe by then we'll have to file with our response, then yeah.
Now, Your Worship, what we have noted, we have received notification on our ECMI system of the date of 8th of May 2025 at 9:30 for a hearing of the petition, 21 of 2023 constitutional petition. Then at the same time, the application number 13 of 2022 at 9:30. However, we have not got signed notices. Yeah, we asked in the registry and we are told we are supposed to sign hearing notice.
And they will serve.
And we do serve. Okay.
They will come.
Otherwise,
That's why we first wanted you at least to get that notification, but they are going also to come.
okay. Now, for that matter, you wanted to say something?
Your Honor, for the first, rather for the sixth respondent, I was chanced to meet the minister on Thursday before we broke off. And I spoke to him about an affidavit for this application. He undertook to give it to me this week, so I intend to file this week. This week. Okay. In light of the fact that the matters have now been fixed, could we now go ahead and prepare our submissions in the petition? Because we would now have to respond to him.
We are going back.
We have to respond to him in his submissions, otherwise.
But I cannot make my submission before I get the evidence or before I get a decision that I will not get the evidence I need. That's something we were arguing about last time.
The fact that both have been cause listed.
Yes,
Of course, that's the thing I told the panel.
we couldn't leave out the application.
Yes.
Or we couldn't take only the application. So we put them together and
The panel sorts it out.
Yes.
Sorts it out.
Yes.
Most
We
obliged,
sort
Your
it
Honor.
out.
That is it. Actually, we shall also file a response together with the submissions for the application. If the panel determines the application
Aha.
first, and then
No worry. Yes, actually, if I respond with the
with the
submissions.
submission,
Yeah.
then if the panel determines the applications, or it says no, let's do out the application, let's go for the petition itself, then
So we have to make the
yeah.
Now, is it worthwhile that we agree on issues?
Not yet, because it goes back that I need those the documents. After I have them, then I can be able to frame issues.
So, okay. Because Mr. Maleto says the minister promised to bring the affidavit.
We can grab it this week.
Yeah, so you see, we are still in the application.
We are not sure, we can't tell.
Watu